In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add flight on Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your trip neatly scheduled with the details you need at a glance. First, open Google Calendar and sign in. If you see your account listed, click it to continue. If not, enter your email and password to log in. Make sure you're using the account where you want the flight to appear, especially if you switch between personal and work calendars. Once you're in, navigate to the date of your flight. In the calendar view, click directly on that date to start creating an event. A quick add window will appear, but to enter all the flight specifics, choose more options. This opens the full event editor, which gives you the space and controls you need. At the top, give your event a clear title. A helpful format is something like Flight Airline ABC123 City A to City B. This makes it instantly recognizable. In the details area, enter departure and arrival airports, scheduled times, and, if you like, your confirmation code or seat number. It's a good idea to double-check the time zone. Flights often cross time zones, and making sure the event uses the correct one will keep everything accurate. If your calendar shows an all-day toggle, turn it off so you can set precise start and end times. Before you save, you can choose a color for the event. Clicking the color palette helps you mark flights differently from meetings or personal plans. Many travelers pick one consistent color for all travel events to spot them quickly. While you're on the event page, you can also verify which calendar you're saving it to, such as your main calendar versus a dedicated travel calendar. If you prefer reminders, set a notification that gives you enough time to get to the airport, like a day before for check-in and a couple of hours before departure. These options are there to make the event more useful, but they're entirely up to you. When everything looks right, title, times, details, and color, click Save. Your flight will now appear on your calendar for that date. If anything changes later, just open the event, adjust the information, and save again. Keeping it updated ensures your schedule, notifications, and shared calendars stay accurate. That's it. You've added your flight to Google Calendar with the clarity and detail you need. Thanks for watching, and safe travels on your upcoming trip.